Hey everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video, we will discuss what is method hiding in Java. Okay, so one more question is there: can we override main method? No, we cannot override the main method, but we have a method hiding concept. Okay, so what is method hiding? Redefining superclass, a static method in subclass with same prototype. This concept is called method hiding. Method hiding is the vice versa of method overriding, so please do not confuse that. So many times this question they have asked in the interview as well. Okay, so I will give you some example, guys, so you will get more clarity about that. So this is the definition of method hiding. And we cannot hide the method in the same class because method signature is same. In case of method overriding, also the same thing. You cannot override the method in the same class because the method signature is same for method hiding and method overriding. Okay, so this rules is applicable for method hiding and method overriding. Okay, so please do not confuse that because method signature is same, so it must be having the two classes, superclass or subclass. You cannot perform in the one classes. How to execute method hiding? So method hiding will be execute what type of the class reference variable we have. So let me give you one example so you will get more clarity. Suppose we have a class A and we have a class A, and just I'm going to create one static method because method will be a static m1, and here I'm just writing s by so means system.out.println, and here I am writing a m1, and you must be created two classes, right? So okay, class B extend class A. Okay, and creating the same method with the same signature, but here we have a B implementation. Okay, understood, right? So how to access this method? If you are watching my Java series in overriding concept, I have already explained. Overriding will execute what type of the object you are holding, but method hiding will execute what type of the class reference variable we have. Suppose we have a superclass A, and here we have an object of B. We are holding the object of B. If you will access a.m1 means, if you will call that, then what happened here? It will execute what type of the class reference variable we have. So you can see here we have a class type of the reference variable. Okay, so here it will execute a class method. Okay, so hope you are able to understand, guys. So I will execute this code in coming videos. So please, if you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get new video notification. We will try to implement and we will execute, so we'll get confidence. And if you are a beginner in Java, and please refer my tutorial from the starting, then you will get more confidence and more clarity. So in the next video, bye bye.